So today's going to be a install video of, what are we installing? I forgot. The service air hose, the one that goes to the tractor to the trailer. I'll show you a video or a picture of what the DOT officer found on the hose. There's like some abrasions, so no biggie. Fix it and then get the violation squared away and get it removed or fixed. Actually, out of those 2 years, the combination with box truck and the semi, I only got 1 violation, so I think that's pretty good. So let's go fix this air hose, and so we can get this violation fixed. Hello there. So here's the service line. This is what the DOT officer said I needed to fix. So this is what the violation is for. Yeah, so we're gonna have to take it off. That's gonna be lovely. And then here's a new one. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, here's my problem. I gotta take this thing off because this thing doesn't want to fit in there and screw on. And then the other side is for tractor. So that side goes over there. What is this? I'll just buy a new flat hand by itself. Stay tuned.
I got problems. Yeah. I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today.
Alright. Out with the old. I mean, I can still use this or save it for the future. And then in with the new. Yeah, she goes on there. Today's video is not sponsored by Sprite. Let's put this somewhere else. Oh, my knees. Let's hide this back here. To get this undone and get this little plastic piece off. behind you. Got it all in. Now this has to go. I'll buy one of those springy things tomorrow. I'm too tired to do it today. It took longer than I expected. And then just hang it up in there. Call it a day. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'm out. I gotta go shower, hit the hay. I gotta wake up and deliver this load before 8 a.m. I thank you for tuning in.